This is Mike Today. I want to talk about Workhorse Group. It trades on the Nasdaq on the symbol WKHS. It was down a little less than 1% yesterday, down to $21.17. The stock over the past month has moved lower. However, if you look over the past 6 months, it has done really well. It's moved up from under $5 a share all the way up as high as almost $30 a share. So it's kind of natural right now that this stock will move back down for a couple of reasons. One is um, the hype over EV stocks was mostly in the months of October, September, whatever. So there's not as much attention in EV stocks right now. And of course, it has to work through this big level of gains that it had here. And it's actually a good sign that this company is kind of stabilizing and building support around the $20 level. You go back to the beginning of the year, I mean, this was a stock that was sub, $5. So it's actually a good sign that the stock has sort of leveled off here and has remained above $20 a share. Now, looking for the forecast for 2021, I think is going to be really positive for Workhorse Group. They have been able to get a number of orders this year in a pandemic year where you wouldn't think they would get any orders whatsoever. However, I do think as the economy reopens in 2021, they will get an unexpected amount of large orders. I think every company is going to want to convert their fleet over to EV vehicles, and Workhorse is one of the largest makers of electric delivery vehicles. So I do anticipate that they're going to get a lot of orders. And the good thing is no one's really talking about Workhorse right now. So it's not as hyped as it was a couple months ago. And because of that, you could get into this stock at a pretty good price. Um, it's still way above its 50-day. The stock is still way above its 50-day moving average. So I anticipate that it's not unrealistic to think that Workhorse could double in price, or almost double in price. I'm thinking that it could hit $40 a share by the end of next year, and that's really because, like I said, as the economy reopens, companies will be more comfortable with investing, making large-scale investments, and they're going to want to go ahead and convert their fleets as soon as possible because they know they can get the best price by ordering now instead of waiting later when then there's a backlog of orders. You don't want to, try to improve your fleet. You have the money, you're ready to go, and then you're told by the company, oh, well, we have a 2 or 3 year backlog in order to fulfill your fleet order. So I do anticipate that Workhorse right now, because they're not being hyped up as they were a couple of months ago, you can get in at a good price. And in 2021, when all the orders come in, this stock will just begin to shoot up higher, at a surprising rate. So definitely keep your eye on Workhorse. Trades on the Nasdaq under symbol WKHS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.